Hi guys, good morning.
Morning.
Okay, so we're here again at Azor, and we're interviewing one of the Azor's finest marketing specialists.
Thank you naman, sir.
Now, we're going to talk about the advantages and the disadvantages kung meron man in condo investments. And also, what's the difference between getting a free pre-selling
And
condos
ready for
and the
occupancy.
ready for occupancy units?
Okay.
Okay? Yes, ma'am?
So, actually, sir, yung advantage ng condo investment is,
Okay.
number one kasi, is you're paying for the convenience and accessibility of a condominium. So, normally kasi, sir, condominiums are situated in an area na highly commercialized.
Yes, that's
So, normally, like for this one, as a nursery, it's just it's accessible right after NLEX San Fernando exit. So, tapat mo lang are the major malls like Robinsons, SM, SNR. In the whole stretch of Jose Abad Santos, sir, actually, is kasi a commercial area. So, at the same time, yung security also, sir, kasi pag condo living, sir, security talaga from the main gate pa lang may security na sa every lobby meron. Tapos may mga roving, tapos CCTVs everywhere. So
24/7.
24/7 yung security. And also the maintenance, sir. Like we have an engineering department din na 24/7. So anytime may concern yung mga units, anytime you can call them, actually. And then, at the same time, sir, is the lifestyle. Especially right now, sir, di ba? Sobrang fast-paced ng lifestyle ngayon, ang busy ng mga tao. So, parang yung convenience na pababa ka lang, meron ng mga, let's say, stores, ganyan, tapos bababa ka lang, may gym na. So, actually, that's also part of your association dues pagka nag-invest ka sa condo, diba, sir? Monthly, meron ka. So, that already includes the security, maintenance of the common area, and usage of all the facilities. So, not bad na rin, sir, invest na parang mag-membership ka pa ng gym on outside, ganyan. Actually, you can utilize na all the
Free na ba
facilities.
yun?
Kasama siya, sir, dun sa monthly dues. Which currently ngayon si Azor, may mga amenities na magagamit like the wave pool, the beach pool, and tapos again, dun sa bagong development, meron tayong mga bagong amenities.
The use of all of these amenities are
included na, sir, on your monthly association. Which will start pa naman, sir, when the unit is turned over.
Yes.
And then, one also advantage, sir, of the pre-selling is that you get to position at the earliest possible time.
Yeah, just like what we have now.
Tapos, lowest possible price. And then, at the same time, sir, kumbaga, you have more flexibility on your finances. Kasi, for example, normally kasi pag ready for occupancy, you have to set the 20% down payment or equity. Kaya normally, sir, pag pre-selling, di ba, either 5%, minsan parang outright 10% down, 20% down. Minsan may mga promos like 5% down payment, yung 15% huhulugan mo for just a short period of time. Normally, ganun. Minsan rent kung ganyan, pag ready for occupancy. Pag pre-selling, parang yung equity na 20%, well, hulugan mo ko 36 months, kung ilang years na pre-selling yung property. Tas para siyang technically, sir, magandang habit din, like for example, sa mga magsa-start ng property investment, kasi para siyang forced savings. Na parang at least monthly, you build the habit of saving, actually.
That's true.
Tapos, little did you know, ano na siya, parang built na siya. Parang built na siya, tapos na rin pala. Tapos long time. Tapos once naman na ma-turn over na siya, sir, parang you have the opportunity na maparent siya. Monthly.
If you're not going to use it, so you can have it rented, right?
Correct.
Another, I think, isa sa mga advantages ng pre-selling din is, yung number one talaga is yung price.
Correct.
During pre-selling, siyempre, mababa pa yung price.
Correct.
But you can never tell how much it's going to be. Price after 3 years. Kasi magdedepende rin yun sa appreciation.
At saka demand.
Yes, sa demand.
Development sa area.
Okay.
Correct.
Kaya pwedeng after 3 years, the price will be doubled.
Correct.
Or so we never can predict sometimes kung ano yung magiging appreciation ng unit.
Correct, sir. Correct, sir. And then, at the same time, ang maganda kasi with condo as an investment, sir, since wider yung market niya, meaning, wider siya in a sense na, sir, parang, kumbaga, ang pet market mo are the local Filipinos, pwede rin naman affluent Filipinos na parang, syempre, meron na silang mga primary home, vacation homes,
Yes.
condo investments, a way to diversify, and even OFWs, foreigners din kasi, sir, that they can purchase 100% even without Filipino ties.
Okay.
So, they can purchase. So, parang, investment-wise, sir, kung eventually gusto mong i-resell yung property, you're not just limited sa local market alone. You can offer it to foreigners. Tapos at the same time, sir,
Ang
na-focus...
daming advantages.
At the same time, sir, kasi parang we were focused so much on rentals as parang return for investment. Pero long-term kasi, sir, ang maganda with condos, eventually, sir, pag na-fully pay mo siya, parang kung isasangla mo or parang ibibigay, parang isasangla mo ulit siya sa bank, 80% ng assessed value niya that time, you can get as funding. Parang, kumbaga, kung anong ventures yung gagawin mo, you open up a business, purchase another property.
So, you're saying na if you're going to use your condo units for collateral,
sa collateral.
mas mabilis siya.
Mas mataas, sir, yung papahiram ng bangko. Like, 80% ng assessed value niya. Correct. Kasi, sir, usually, yung mga, let's say, houses and lots, sir, eventually, if i-collateral mo ulit siya sa bank, yung assessed value niya during that time, ang papahiram lang nila is usually 50 to 60 nga lang, sir. 50 to 60. Whereas pag condos, since wider yung market, 8.
And based on the current price value.
That time. Sir. So, of course, tumaas na rin naman, sir, yung value niyan by that time.
Okay, that's good. So it's quite a good investment pala.
Yes, sir. Actually.
Medyo nega ako dati sa condo investment. Pero after hearing you, parang gusto ko na. So, we're going to get it na.
Yeah.
That particular
unit. Correct.
We choose.
Maganda kasi, sir, yung like, aside from that, sir, ang advantage din ng pre-selling, lalo na pagbago yung property, makapili ka talaga. Like, the floor, the location, ganyan. Okay. Normally, pag RF po na kasi, sir, para kung ano na lang yung available yun na lang. Dito, sir, para makakapili ka talaga ng, pwede nga, favorite number mo.
Tama.
So guys, para early positioning din
ito
talaga.
Ito yung new development na Azure dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Correct. So, yung mga buildings, new buildings, mga mid-rise buildings, ito yung mga new development na magkakaroon sila. It will be turned over
after 3
years. So, the pre-selling that starts now is 3 years. So, you're going to pay as much as 11 to 17% of the current value.
Actually, so 17%
of the current value, which is babayaran mo without interest for 3 years. That's 36 months. So parang kalimutan mo na lang siya after 36 months, meron ka ng unit.
Correct.
Which you can use for personal consumption or you can rent them out. So it comes now also in a form of investments. Para you invest now, then after 36 months, pwede mo nang pagkakitaan yung mga units.
Correct.
Okay, so I think
if you wanna learn more.
Yeah, I think I'm convinced of condo investment. Guys, if you want to learn more, if you want to know more, just write your questions below.
Yeah.
And we'll try to answer all of it, diba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And
happy to also assist them if they wanna tour around as well.
Yes. And if you have questions also, if you want to get units here at Azure North, just message us below. Lalagay ko rin yung mga numbers nila doon sa baba para matawagan nyo directly. Hingi na lang ako ng commission.
Just use the code. Anong code mo, sir? At least alam ko, sir, galing kay sir.
Yes, yes. Thank you, guys. Have a nice
day.
See you.
Congrats, sir.
Thank you.